Hey, this is Brian Petro. Every marketing success starts with a bright idea. I wanted to talk to you briefly about colors today. Colors are complicated. They're more complicated than you think. But just keep it basic. If you want to match up colors, Pantone is one super easy way. Pantone is a for-profit company that publishes a book with colors, and pretty much anybody who's dealing with colors, printing, graphic design, advertising, if you give them a Pantone color, they should, in theory, be able to match it. Done. A more complicated way of looking at it that I want to mention, people are familiar with RGB, red, green, blue, mix those colors to make colors. They're also familiar with CMYK, which is usually for print, which is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. But honestly, myself, if I was going to make, I don't know, yellow or something, well, I guess with cyan, magenta, and yellow, it's pretty easy, but from Roy G. Biv, it's a little harder. The way I look at color that's easiest for my brain to understand is hue, saturation, and brightness. So that's another way of looking at colors. Hue is the actual color. Saturation is how much of that color. So the difference between kind of like a dusky pink versus a hot pink would be saturation. And then brightness would be, if you imagine picking a color, let's just say it's a medium pink, and you mixed black with it to make it darker or white to make it lighter. That's brightness. So hue is the actual color, red, green, blue, pink, any hue you can think of. So that's some super fast, quick info about colors. And if you let your fingers do the Googling, you can learn a whole lot more online. Hope that helps.